When you're a creator working on photos, whether you're retouching portraits, designing marketing visuals, or doing advanced composites, the choice of editor matters. Photoshop and Affinity Photo both deliver powerful tools, but they serve slightly different kinds of users and budgets. Let's start by looking at Photoshop. Photoshop is the industry standard. If you've been editing for a while, you've likely used it or at least seen it in action. It offers an enormous feature set: unlimited layers, advanced selection tools, neural filters, smart objects, 3D features, extensive plugin ecosystems, and seamless integration with other creative tools. From a pro standpoint, Photoshop gives you maximum flexibility and power. But with that power comes complexity and cost. Photoshop typically requires a subscription, which means ongoing expense and sometimes feature bloat you may never use. Also, if your hardware is modest or you prefer a cleaner interface, the learning curve and the overhead can feel heavy. In short, Photoshop is full-featured and ready for any job, but it assumes you are using it frequently and have the investment to match. Now on to Affinity Photo. Affinity Photo is built for creators who want professional results without the ongoing subscription overhead. It offers robust editing tools, raw processing, layer effects, masking, advanced retouching, full color space support, and smart workflows at a much lower long-term cost. Reviews highlight that for many photographers and visual creators, Affinity covers 90+% of what they need. Because it uses a one-time or lower-cost model depending on version, it stands out as a budget-friendly pro tool. On performance, some users find Affinity Photo to feel snappier and use less memory than Photoshop on certain tasks. The trade-off is that it may lack a few niche features, plugin integrations, or third-party support that Photoshop enjoys. For instance, plugin availability and very advanced features like 3D editing may still favor Photoshop. So how should you decide? If your workflow involves high-end retouching, integration with a full creative suite, frequent plugin use, and you are already embedded in the ecosystem, Photoshop may be the right choice. Both editors enable professional-level editing. The right match comes down to how deeply you use the tools, how much you spend, what your workflow demands, and how important the long-term cost is for you.